Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll on to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. So here we have to tap on other languages, and here we've got the list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on it. For example, this one. Choose the region if you can. And here all we have to do is to tap on apply language. And from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can reorder them to quickly change the language. Just tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see here, we've got the English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.